Okay, so let's say you want a realistic glass material for your monkey in Blender. Then we can just press Ctrl 5 to add 5 subdivisions. And then add some smooth shading as well. And then the first step is to add a background image to get a better lighting in the scene. So you can get free HDRIs in the description. I'm just going to use Chelsea Stairs. And then use cycles for more realistic glass. You can also use the GPU if you have one. If not, just keep using the CPU. And then we have to add the actual glass material. So I just go into New for materials, add a glass shader, and then we can set the roughness to 0. So a glass shader and a background image is all you really need for a good looking glass material in Blender. And also make sure to make the background transparent.